Ever heard whispers of Bitcoin fortunes, Dogecoin dreams, or the Ethereum enigma? Curious about cryptocurrency but overwhelmed by all the exchanges and options? Well, buckle up, crypto-curious comrades, because today we're cracking open Kraken, a popular and secure platform to start your crypto journey. Why Kraken? So, why Kraken? Let's face it, there's a sea of crypto exchanges out there. Kraken, established in 2011, is one of the veterans, boasting a reputation for security, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and competitive fees. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a crypto newbie, Kraken offers features that cater to both. Alright, you're sold on Kraken. But what do you actually need to open an account? Fear not, crypto companions. Let's break down the essentials to set sail on your Kraken adventure. Step 1. Gear up what you'll need. First things first, gather your digital crew. Here's what you'll need to open your Kraken account. A strong internet connection. This might seem obvious, but a stable connection ensures a smooth registration process. A valid email address. This will be your primary contact point with Kraken, so use an email you check regularly. A strong password. This is your crypto treasure chest, so choose a password that's complex and unique. Don't reuse passwords from other accounts. A government-issued ID. Kraken takes security seriously, so be prepared to verify your identity with a valid passport, driver's license, or national ID card. A phone number, optional while not mandatory. Adding a phone number can provide an extra layer of security with two-factor authentication, 2FA. Step 2. Setting sail, the registration process. With your digital crew assembled, it's time to set sail. Head over to Kraken's website and click on the glorious Sign Up button. You'll be greeted by a registration form. Fill it out with your email address, create that strong password, and choose a username that strikes fear or awe into the hearts of other crypto traders. Just kidding, a username you can remember works too. Step 3. Verification voyage, securing your account. Once you've filled out the form, Kraken will send you a verification email. Open that email and click on the link to confirm your account. This is crucial, as it verifies your email address and activates your account. Step 4. Charting your course, verification levels. Now, Kraken offers different verification levels. The basic level allows you to deposit and withdraw a limited amount of funds. However, to unlock the full potential of Kraken, including higher deposit and withdrawal limits, you'll need to complete further verification. This typically involves uploading a clear photo of your ID and a selfie for verification purposes. Step 5. Funding your Kraken account, time to stock up. With your account verified, it's time to fund your Kraken adventure. Kraken offers various funding methods, including bank transfers, wire transfers, credit/debit cards, in some regions, and even crypto deposits from other wallets. Choose the method that best suits your needs, keeping in mind that transaction fees and processing times may vary. Step 6. Explore the Kraken interface, your crypto command center. Once your account is funded, you're ready to explore the Kraken interface. It might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. Kraken offers a standard and a pro interface. The standard interface is user-friendly and perfect for beginners. For the more experienced traders, the pro interface offers advanced features and charting tools. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout, menus, and how to place buy and sell orders. Step 7. Stay informed and stay safe. Crypto knowledge is power. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. To navigate these ever-changing waters, it's crucial to stay informed. Kraken offers a wealth of resources, including educational articles, tutorials, and webinars. Supplement this with reliable crypto news sources to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, cryptocurrencies are inherently volatile. Always do your own research before investing, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Kraken adventures.